Hey, you!
Me?
Yeah, we know you're a busy guy with no time for this.
I'm a busy guy with no time for this.
We know. That's why we've come up with a brand new way for you to do your commercial acceleration days.
But I'm a busy guy with no time for this.
Well, what if we told you that you could use a CAD mobile app instead of having to log in through JMC?
I'm a busy guy with no time for this.
But you do have time for this. Here's how it works. First, you'll download the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Then, begin the easy one-time setup. Enter your email and request a PIN. Check your email for that PIN and enter it here. Then let the app know if you're a CAM or a PAM. That's it. Now you're all set to go. Now you can use the app to register a CAD. Just fill out all the details including the partner name, the country, and if you're in the Americas, if you'd like a contact list and press submit. That's all there is to it. If you have notifications turned on, we'll even send a reminder notification. Isn't that simple? And all without logging into JMC.
JMC? Who needs JMC?
Whoa, let's not get crazy. After your CAD, log back into your phone to complete your CAD, filling out the info and any feedback about how the CAD went. Finally, if you'd like any resources sent to you, you can request them right from the app. Just pick what you'd like and an email will be sent with a resource attached. Be sure to check for updates regularly.
I'm a busy guy and even I've got time for this.
You sure do.
And reporting on CADs helps us put partners first and gives us the data we need to keep investing in programs to help us sell.
You bet it does.
This will really help all of us salespeople who are busy be able to complete CADs quickly and easily on the go. On top of that, the ability...
Anyway, download the Juniper CAD app now from Google Play or the iTunes App Store.